अरे सब बीमारियां के लिए एक ही दवाई. I wish there was some दवाई like that all obstacles could be removed with just one remedy. It is not possible. People who tell you this are probably kidding you. First of all, we need to find the root cause of our problem. That's why a tarot card reading is done, so that the cards will reveal what is the obstacle, what is the blockage, what's unconscious, conscious, what's coming from a karmic angle, what's coming from maybe a planetary angle, what's coming from a numerology angle, or what's coming from your subconscious mind, what's coming from psychic attack. तो उसके हिसाब से you got to weed it out slowly. Can you lose weight in a day? Can you lose weight in one session, one tagda session of working out? No, it's a process, and everything like that takes time. Sometimes we've had people who just did one chotu ritual, or just lit a candle, or just did one extraction, and boom, their problem was solved. Try it out.